This is Hot Shots Hydrographics. We're getting ready to dip a rear fender for a four-wheeler right here. We're going to be dipping it in Harvest Moon with a dark gray paint underneath it. Just getting ready to activate. We have a huge piece of film on the water. It's taking pretty much our whole tank. And Dad forgot his gloves, so his hands are going to look just like Harvest Moon when we're all done here. We're just waiting for our 90 seconds to be up so we can activate. This is a great pattern for four-wheelers. It looks really cool when it's done. Gives it a different look. All done activating. He's going to go ahead and get the rear fender. And we're going to dip it in nice and slow. Slow and steady. It's usually the best bet with hydrographics. These can be tough to push through. So remove the tape and we're going to rinse the tank and show you the end result. Pretty darn cool. My favorite pattern on four-wheelers. I'm going to take it over to the rinse station now and rinse it off. We'll be doing the front fender here in a little bit, which will be on a separate video.